Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to turn off headphones safety notifications on iPhone, on any iPhone for that matter. So if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and hey, comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. So to actually turn off headphone safety notifications, you have this feature if your device is running Android 14.2 or on a higher version. So you want to go on settings, you want to click on general software update, and you want to make sure you have at least 14.2. I have 14.4, so I should have this option. But when I actually go on settings, click on sounds and haptics, click on headphone safety, I don't have this option. You might, I don't. If you do, you can just click it off and you won't have any notifications. But the reason some people in some countries don't, for example, I'm in Europe, I don't, is it says here on support.apple.com that due to regulations and safety standards, headphone notifications cannot be turned off in certain countries or regions. So if you're living in Europe just like me, maybe you have higher standards, higher regulations, you won't be able to turn it off. What you can actually do is reduce some of the options. For example, you can tweak this and based on your preferences, but that's pretty much all you can do. So if this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. I want to see you in the next one.